Okay, good evening to everyone. Thank you for joining me to celebrate my 18th birthday. I do really appreciate you being here, with or without gifts. I really appreciate the fact that you chose your time to be here with me. And most especially, special thanks sa mga nagluto, sa mga nagpuyat, sa mga kasama na nag-design and etc. And for those people who extend their efforts to be here especially. And also sa inyo, sa aking mga parents, sige, talaga. And also special to Madam Lorna for being here. Kahit po layo-layo niyo po, thank you very much. And to Boss Edwin, yes, power, yeah, thank you po. And syempre, to my parents, to my mama and papa, thank you. Mapagal, I know. Talagang maraming nagising. Ikmus siya talaga yung birthday. Talaga. Thank you very much. Ayos ko na ba yung problema nila. Paano ini? Sabi ko kasi hindi nyo lang akong pera eh. Thank you kasi may parami siya ako yung you know me. Yes, once a lifetime. But you know me na this last time, but appreciate ka sobra. Kasi balo ka naman. May nangyari na ka rin mga bagay na, what do you call that, bagay na akamit when you were young. And I'm really grateful and thankful for making me feel this, for making me experience this start of birthday. And also sa aking mga titas there, Pololi, Tita Jelly, lahat din nagluto. Thank you. And Pololi, Kuya Pongpong, Apong Junior, lahat. Ako na po mention lahat, pero thank you. Ate Maria, Kuya Janjan, malaki kayo. Ate Joanne for being here, Kuya Natnat, Ate Eros, talaga naman, oo. Pagkaga, thank you, JD, thank you, Da, Joy, Undoy naman, mag-isolate niya. And to my friends also, thank you for being here. Ang lalayo nyo talaga. Ang iba, nag-short pa. Oo, talaga. Thank you! Oo, bigla kayo, sumayo bigla. Thank you. And to my cousins out there, hindi ko na po may isa-isa. Thank you for being here. And to Ate Tin, to Gab, and to all of you here, thank you for making me happy. Actually, nandiyan lang kayo kasi ay, nandiyan lang. So again, thank you. Wala na po ako ibang masabi but to say thank you. And to lastly, to God, to God, thank you for giving me another year. Another life, another struggles. So ayun, thank you Lord for this life. No? Thank you. So ayun yung last. So thank God for all the blessings that He given to me, to my family, to my parents, for the good health and yes, good life. It's a good life despite all of the struggles that we're facing every day. It's still a good life. And that's all. I hope you guys, I hope you guys get along and you will eat na po. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen.